You want to show me how to punch? Show me.
That's how you punch.
Hope Van Dyne is an expert at Muay Thai, which I'm obviously not. And I had to learn how to sort of hopefully move in a convincing way to make it seem like I could be an expert. And I could train a man who's been in prison and been in a lot of fist fights how to properly fight and kick his ass, which I do. And it's pretty cool.
Paul had so much, he was writing, he was working out. And I think Evangeline really, she dove into that fight choreography. I would not want to go into the ring with Evangeline Lilly.
Yeah.
Give me something. Give me something.
I have glasses.
Punch in the stomach!
I have glasses.
Did you know that filming on the Hunger Games Catching Fire left Jennifer Lawrence temporarily deaf in one ear? Sorry? What's that you said? For this and more movie facts, click on more videos. But if you want something else, click on the playlist.